a little bit more. What we're gonna try to do today is pretty much strip it down and do body work. Got to take this front bumper off, back bumper off, take the headlight out, probably remove all the guts from the doors, pretty much get it ready for body work. Looks like this rocker panel is a little damaged right there. Alright, well, let me move it on. I need to move this car somewhere that's going to be comfortable to work on. Got her stripped down for the most part. What else we got to take apart? That's about it. I mean, what? That only took a couple minutes, right?
Yeah. Half hour.
This white paint I put on, I was painting the house inside my house and I had to roll her out. So I just covered the bare metal that was showing. Yeah, there we go. Bumpers are pretty hit. Oh, that's the back bumper, front bumper. Got some paint peeling and got some damage, but all the grills and everything's intact. Just needs a little body work. I'm gonna do that. Front end, there's a little scuff right here. It's almost like a little dent. Probably gonna take care of that. This car is for my father, so yeah, we got the fender on the right side, bumper. I'm gonna get a new fender here. We got these two doors. These two doors I bought used. I got an awesome deal on them. I got them both for 500 bucks. It had fire damage in it. It had fire damage. But I have all the guts, windows, plastics, and everything. So mainly what I needed was a shell. So I got a great deal on that. This rocker panel, that's definitely not my greatest work, but this car's from my dad, so it'll work. I'm still gonna work it in a little bit. I've never done anything like this, but it actually worked. And I'm about to start on this quarter panel. I'm gonna adjust this door too. It seems like it's a little bit just a little bit out of whack right there in that corner. I'm gonna try to adjust that real quick. And yeah, a couple little dents on the doors. I think I saw one somewhere right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a couple little dents. Quarter panel. So yeah, let's get to the quarter panel. Okay, well, we are back the next morning. It's about 9:30 in the morning. We got a little late start, but we are here and we will be bondoing. Oh, you can't even see nothing. Alright, so we got the first coat of Duraglass on this quarter panel. Plastic. First coat is on. Still got a few low spots, but for the most part, the Duraglass form is already somewhat there, at least. And this rocker panel, is just all jacked up. It would have been nice to replace this rocker panel. It would have been nice to replace this whole skin, quarter panel skin, with the rocker. That would have been a clean job. But this right here is quite a bit of body work. So yeah, I was blocking it with 40 grit sandpaper with the air machine, and now at this stage I DA'd everything 80 grit. I'm getting ready to put the second coat, which is going to be just regular Bondo, and then hopefully one coat of icing on top of the Bondo, and that should be it. So let's get to it. Second coat, Bondo. Still gotta put a coat there. Doesn't need to be pretty.